Welcome back to Skyjet Wings, where the sky isn't the limit, it's the battlefield. Today, we dive into one of the most heated debates in aviation history. Bomber versus fighter, who dominates the modern skies? This is more than just a comparison, this is war in the clouds. From the age of propellers to the stealth era, bombers and fighters have evolved into technological marvels. But here's the question I've personally wrestled with. In a real modern dogfight, can a heavy bomber like the B-21 Raptor actually survive a strike from a sleek F-35 Lightning II? Let's break it down, fact by fact, missile by missile. Let's not just talk jets, feel the tension. Picture this, you're the pilot of a stealth bomber flying deep into enemy airspace. Suddenly, radar picks up a faint signal, an incoming fighter. You have seconds to react. Will technology save you, or are you flying into your final mission? In World War II, the B-17 Flying Fortress lumbered across Europe, escorted by swarms of P-51 Mustangs. Fighters danced around flak and bullets, trying to protect their slower brothers. Fast forward to the Cold War. The State Route 71 and MiG-25 redefined speed and evasion. Then came the B-2 and F-22, ghosts in the sky. Every era brought new battles, new stories, and the duel continued. Our research reveals staggering facts. The B-2 Spirit can drop 40,000 pounds of bombs undetected, but can it detect an approaching fighter in time? Meanwhile, the F-22 Raptor's radar cross-section is smaller than a bird's and it can supercruise at Mach 1.8. History teaches us that while bombers carry destruction, fighters carry dominance. But what if the line between both is starting to blur? Personally, I believe the duel depends on timing and terrain. In open sky, a fighter dominates. But in today's network-centric warfare, a bomber equipped with electronic jammers and standoff weapons could strike before a fighter even locks on. My bet? The first to detect wins, not the fastest. Imagine this, a B-21 Raptor is en route to a high-value target. An F-35 is scrambled to intercept. The B-21 stealth keeps it invisible until the last second. It launches standoff missiles from 500 kilometers away. But the F-35's data link with an AWACS aircraft reveals the bomber's trajectory. It closes in. Who wins? It's chess at Mach speed, not checkers. It's 2025. Over the Pacific, a high-stakes mission unfolds. A B-21 Raptor is on a deep strike mission. Suddenly, an F-35 emerges on its scope. The B-21 activates countermeasures, while the F-35 locks on. Missiles are launched. But as the smoke clears, a drone swarm released by the bomber distracts the fighter. The bomber slips away. This isn't fiction. It's a glimpse into tomorrow's war games. This was Bomber versus Fighter, the ultimate air combat duel. In the ever-changing skies, no battle is simple. With AI, stealth, and drone warfare rewriting the rules, tomorrow's skies will host duels we can barely imagine today. So, who do you think rules the air? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like if you love air power, and subscribe to Skyjet Wings for more sky-cracking stories. Until next time, stay airborne and stay